I can't believe that today is finally here. The day we have fantasized about so many times, and I've dreamt of since I was a little girl. Igor, as we stand here today, I know I will never be lonely again, because now and forever, I have my best friend to walk through and experience all of life's adventures with. So very quickly, it became apparent you would always be my best friend. You became my biggest supporter, my rock, my partner, and my confidant. You are the first person I want to share my day's crazy stories with, and the last person I want to see before I go to sleep. I fall more and more in love with you each time I see you smile while playing with our beloved fur babies. Each time I hear you laugh or see you get excited, especially about your stocks and bonds. I'll remind myself to forever be grateful that you always want to talk it out and kiss and make up after any disagreement, no matter how small. Out of all of your amazing characteristics, that has to be the quality I love most about you. You are constantly surprising me with the amount of love and overwhelming support you show me. I vow to always stand by your side. I vow to never go to sleep angry. I vow to always be your movie marathon partner. I vow to always try your new cooking concoctions, even if they may not taste the best. But most importantly, I vow to always try my hardest to turn your toughest days into your brightest. I choose you, and I'll choose you over and over, without pause, without a doubt, in a heartbeat. I will keep choosing you. Today, as we start our new greatest adventure, I couldn't be more excited to see what the future holds. I love you, always and forever.
Beebs, you are the purpose in my life and my beautiful best friend. Every day I look at you and see the perfect partner. Gorgeous and smart, strong but passionate, loyal and loving. From the very first moment when I met you, I knew that I would keep you forever. I love going on adventures with you. I love how you always understand me in every situation and even finish my sentences. I love spending time with you and with our fur babies at home. I love snuggling with you at night before going to bed, and I love how you changed me to become a better person. I promise to respect and love you for who you are and to love the person you will be for all the years to come. I promise to take care of you when it matters the most, support you through our ups and downs, listen to you when you ask me for the little things, grow with you until the end of my days, and most importantly, love you unconditionally in this lifetime and the next. I am so grateful to have found my soulmate that I wished for my whole life. I can't imagine where I would be without you, and I cannot wait to continue this amazing journey with you by my side. I sometimes wish that I can turn back time because I would find you sooner and love you longer. I love you always and forever.
Mr. and Ms. like taking chances. I feel a lot like 17.
It has to be your life, what you want it to be. So do it together, go forward together, and love each other always. Love you.
We love you.
You take me right back when we were kids. Never thought I'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Brand new. I feel like a young John Cusack, like making big mistakes. I feel like for the first time in a long time I am not afraid. I feel like a kid. Never thought it'd feel like this. Like when I close my eyes and don't even care if anyone sees me dancing. Like I can fly and I don't even think of touching the ground. Like a heartbeat skip, like an open page, like a one-way trip on an aeroplane. It's the way that I feel when I'm with you. Brand new. Time will always try to make us. Time will always try to make us. You remind me what I used to know. Like when I close